Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. This AC have a drain issue. We try to fix this drain from because we think that the pipeline is choked, but still we got problem in this AC. And then we found that the body of the AC is broken. That's why we open this AC completely. So let's see how it will be open. And it's this AC, you can see, very dusty, and better we open this AC because this need complete servicing also. So let's see how it will be open, and then we'll fix it again, and how to fix the drain problem. You can see this, so we are going to open the motor. This is the motor, and then you can see step by step open some screws to open that, remove the coil. You can see now we are going to remove this coil. Here remove it. Here we remove this coil, and you can see this completely open now. This is the inside tray of the AC, so dirty, need to clean. And this coil, you can see so much dust on this, and it affect the cooling also. Now we're going to clean these all parts. Must make it neat and clean. If we don't have a water pressure pump that time, that's why we use normal pressure of water. And this epoxy glue we bring to fix the broken part of this AC, because this is plastic body, so epoxy is very good solution for this one. You can see this broken. When the water is full in the tray, coming down, it drop from this hole, this broken area. So we are going to fix now. We are using epoxy to fix this broken area. This you can see we make one mistake. We make this epoxy here in this place. Don't make epoxy here, make it outside. Otherwise you need so much more work for this to remove this epoxy, because we didn't use when we fix this. You can see this need to rub this again, so this extra energy waste on this. So better you make epoxy outside. This we can check now. First we check because the epoxy is there making sound, then we fix this again. Now we are going to refix this AC again. You can see we fix motor, coils. So this is the way to fix the drain. If you are going to make pressure in the drain and the drain problem is not solved, must check, maybe your inside body is broken. This fault I found in so many ACs coming in this fault because of a long time. So this is all about this video. Our AC start now. Thanks for watching.